a 16-bit, notice here, this is important, a 16-bit floating point word has the format shown. So technically we have 2 bytes, basically, byte 0 and byte 1. The most significant bit of the byte 0 is basically a sign bit. And rest of the 7 bits right here, they basically are the exponents, where this being the least significant bit. Byte 1 is also 8-bit, of course, and it is the mantissa, right? It's the mantissa. Now, again, I don't want to get into like what is sign bit or exponents. I would assume that you should have that knowledge. But like for example, S is the sign bit, and if the sign bit is 1, that basically means it's the number which is less than 0. The magnitude of this number is going to be less than 0. Similarly, E is the exponent, and it is a 7-bit. And we want to include positive number and negative numbers in this 16 bit data. And so therefore we choose a bias. And I'll talk more about that later. And lastly, mantissa is an 8-bit, and usually it's just the fractional part. So a 16-bit word corresponding to 4,000. So you can have a number 4,000 with base hexadecimal. This number represents a numeric value that is most nearly. So we have to basically convert this number, which is in hexadecimal format, into something like this. Now, I wasn't going to do the conversion here, so I just went online, used some conversion calculator, and I found out that 4,000 hexadecimal format 16 base is equivalent to 16,384 in decimal base, and the binary equivalent is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And these are 16 bits. And the reason it's 16-bit because it's a 16-bit here, correct? So a 16-bit binary code for 4,000 with hexadecimal format is this right here. Remember, the leftmost bit is the sign bit. And because it's 0, that means it is going to be a positive number. Then the next 7 bits here, those are the exponents, correct? And then the next 8 bits, those are the mantissa, correct? Now, in order to find the numeric value of something like this, you just have to plug in the numbers in this equation. And this equation is basically negative 1 over s to the power s. Remember, this is a sign bit. 2 minus 2 to the power e minus 64. Now, I was telling you we are going to choose a bias. And this bias is basically just, we want to include that we have both the positive and negative numbers. And this the reason it's 64 is because we have 7 bits. 2 to the power 7 minus 1. 2 to the power, we choose the bias by 2 to the power n minus 1 because n is 7 bits. 7 minus 1 is 6. 2 to the power 6 is 64, and therefore we choose this by 64. It's always going to be like that. Times the mantissa, right? Now, if we plug in the values here, so what do we get? Negative 1, s is 0, correct? To the power, e is what here? E is just simply, this is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. So the magnitude of this bit is 64. So 64 minus 64 times mantissa. This is just simply 0. The magnitude of this is 0 because all the bits are 0. So multiply that by 0. And anything you multiply that by 0 actually just becomes 0. Correct? So the numeric value in a 16-bit floating point representation for 4,000 in hexadecimal base is 0.